I'm Dr. Roger, and this question is from the May 2021 US SAT Calculator section. College Board is asking us to convert 50% more than required to an expression. So if we're supposed to use F, and we used more, which means add, by 50%, which is 50 over 100. So 50% of F means 50 over 100 times F plus 1 times F. So that's 1.50 F or 1.5 F, choice D. College Board often asks this sort of question where you have to read the wording carefully to see if they said 50% of F or 50% more than F, and to see whether they want their answer as 50 for 50% or as 0.5 to represent 50%. And the wording can send you in either direction. So always read these questions very carefully and come back soon for my next video. With math, there's always more.